The U.S. Department of Defense has awarded Lockheed Martin a contract worth $11.76 billion for the production and delivery of 145 F-35 fighter jets, affirming the program's critical role in U.S. Air Force. Its advanced stealth capabilities, network-centric warfare systems and versatility across multiple combat scenarios makes it a vital asset. A Chinese drone manufacturer has disclosed a massive government order for almost 1 million lightweight kamikaze drones to be delivered by 2026, while details about the specific type or technical specifications of the drones remain undisclosed. Indian Navy's stealth frigate INS Tushil makes first international port call in London as part of its maiden operational deployment. This visit is part of a broader agenda to strengthen naval cooperation, share expertise and conduct joint exercises aimed at enhancing maritime security in the region. Rheinmetall received an order to supply Ukraine with 20 additional Marder 1A3 infantry fighting vehicles, which are slated for delivery in the first half of 2025. These vehicles are equipped with advanced features such as a laser rangefinder providing enhanced battlefield precision and protection. U.S. Central Command announced that a U.S. Navy F-18 fighter aircraft was mistakenly shot down by the guided missile cruiser USS Gettysburg. Both pilots ejected safely over the Red Sea when aircraft was hit mistakenly by friendly fire.